But it has been a struggle for me for the last 20 years. I've been asking for this land, which I think most of you know about it. And in fact, you all used to ask me, "Kya aapka land mil gaya?" Then I used to say, "No." Oh, you all used to be part of this thing, you know. Many people, many of the media people have been part of it. And as he has given the whole entire history from 94, I asked, then it was given to me, but I paid the money for that, 10 lakhs of rupees I paid that time, and then it became a CR zone. Because of coastal regulation restriction, I could not do anything about it, so I have been telling the government to give me another piece of land. So they showed me one or two places which was not actually very suitable to me. But I continued my asking them. So finally it was given, they showed me Ambivali. Ambivali is a place, I don't even know where it is. They said this is the place, and here you can, this can be used for you. But you have to make that entire garden, which you people are speculating, entire thing is for me, it's not for me. It's for the institute, and then rest is a beautiful garden like Joggers Park and all. I have to make it and give it to BMC, which they will maintain it. So even for me to enter, maybe I'll have to ask their permission. It is like that. But it's a very big task for me to make that entire garden, apart from my institute coming up. So my institute is it's been a long dream for me. For the last 20 years, I've been asking and wanting to establish a dance institute, which is my right, which I wanted, because I'm a dancer. As an artist, I've been wanting it because I want to part my knowledge of dance music to the public, to the children of today. Is very, very essential today, because our Indian culture is slowly deteriorating. The classical dance form, the music is all there, but so much of influence of Western is coming up. So it is necessary to have an institute like this, which was my dream from a long back. I don't even know how much I have to pay, but before that, you people know. You are all saying, ki, oh, she has not handed over the land. Are mere haath mein land aa jayega, then I will be giving, na? So I have to give. Why should I keep the other land in my hand for what?
So you will be
But see, that land was not given to me for the last so many years. It is just lying there because they say it is CR zone. Now I will hand over it right today. Tomorrow maybe some builder will build something. I don't know what will happen. They are saying it is CR zone even today, but anything can happen. But once I am getting this, I am paying. I have not yet paid. I will pay everything. Everything according to the rules of the government I will be going through. जो भी नियम होता है सरकार का, उसके हिसाब से मैं सब कुछ करूँगी. जो भी पेमेंट करना है, कैसा करना है, सब कुछ उसके हिसाब से होगा. इसके उल्टा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इट इज़ एन इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द सोसाइटी, फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, फॉर द पीपल, नॉट फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट फॉर माई पर्सनल यूज़. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दैट.